We've worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer and we wanted to share it with the world. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.